Hey, what's up fellas? My name is Ashmit from Techy Pizza, and today we're gonna learn how do you install plugins on an Aternos Minecraft server. So without any ado, let's spread technology. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the aternos.org website, and then you have to click on server over here. After that, you don't have to start your server, you just have to locate the software option over here and then click on change. After this has been done, you will be greeted with 9 options, which are vanilla, snapshot, bedrock, spigot, paper, glowstone, pocket mine, mod packs and forge. So I will explain you one by one what each of these does, so stick around with me. Vanilla is the pure Minecraft experience you have while playing the official version of Minecraft. It has no modifications or any mods or anything like that. Snapshot is the, you can say, a beta release of the new version of the Minecraft. So let's say we have the stable release of 1.14, but 1.15 is in development. There are pretty much snapshots of 1.15 already, which have included the honeybees and the honey blocks and etc. So this is what snapshot means. Bedrock is the Windows 10 edition and the Pocket edition. On you can also say iOS and Android, and also console editions which support Bedrock. So spigot and paper are both categories of bucket. Bucket allows you to install plugins in your server, and that's pretty much it. First of all, I would like to say that spigot was originally introduced to Aternos, and it was the first solution for plugins, but later on paper came, and this is more optimized for your servers and make your servers run fast enough. And glowstone is also another type of client for plugins. We will not go in much depth for that. Pocket mine is also for plugins, but for bedrock editions. Alright, these three are for just for like normal Java editions. Mod packs allows you to install mods in your server, and forge is also for mods. So we have to do paper/bucket because it is more optimized than the other two, and it has more plugins than the other two. So click on that, wait for a moment, and then we will have a list of versions available to download. We will click on 1.14.4 because that is the latest release of the official Minecraft Java edition we are running. So let's click on that, wait for a moment, and now a new page will appear. It says the name of the client, which is paper MC, which stands for paper Minecraft. 1.14.4 is the version, and here is the source code, etc. We simply just have to click install. After you click install, this icon should appear. It means that your paper MC client is being installed on your server. So we just have to now wait for it to be installed. Okay, a tick mark should appear when it has been installed, and the page will now reload. So after the page has been reloaded, you can see another option on the left navigation menu. It is the plugins option. From here you can install various plugins which are supported by Aternos. Remember that you cannot install your own plugins. You can only install plugins which are approved by Aternos, and it is on their page. So after you head on to the plugins option over here, you will get on another page. Here we have some plugins. The most popular one right now is WorldEdit. So let's go and install that. So here you can see WorldEdit is over here. We have to click on it. And then we will have a list of available versions for the WorldEdit plugin. So we will install the latest one which supports 1.14.4 version of the Minecraft. We will click on the install option over here. It will now start to get installed. After that you can see a tick mark over here. It has been now installed, and you can now go on to the server and start it and enjoy using your new paper-mc/bucket Minecraft server. So I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you found anything new in this video, please consider to give a like, a subscribe, and press the notification bell icon. Share it with your friends and family if you feel like so. So we will meet you another time, and till then, bye bye.